Good morning, student. Today's our topic is partition and reunion. Meaning of partition. In Hindu law, partition does not mean simply division of property in specific shares. It covers both division of title and division of property. According to Mitaksara law, partition is the adjustment of diverse interests regarding the whole. By distributing them into particular portion of the aggregate, the crystallization of fluctuating interest of a co-partner into a share in the joint family estate. Meaning of partition. According to Mitaksara, partition is used in two distinct senses: adjustment into specific shares, secondly, severance of joint status. Severance of joint status means there must be an unmistakable manifestation of intention to be divided. No division by mates and bonds is necessary. Existence of property is not essential. Reasons immaterial. Existence of minor is no bar. Different mode of affecting partition. The intention of partition may be declared orally or in writing and be expressed through: number 1, an application of mutation of name in the record of rights with a view of separation, the filing a plaint for partition in a civil court, written notice for partition, an agreement for partition, defining or ascertaining of shares with a view to separate enjoyment of property. By will, by apostasy, by marriage under Special Marriage Act 1954, by arbitration, by renunciation of interest, by sale of his interest to other co-partner. Who can claim partition? The partition of joint Hindu family may take place at the instance of the following person: number 1, every adult co-partner; second, son and grandson; thirdly, illegitimate son, entitled maintenance out of father's share only; number 4, widow. Widow can claim right of his deceased husband in co-partner property. Number 5, adopted son. Number 6, daughter can demand partition from 20 December 2004. Effect of partition. The consequences of partition are as under: where the partition is general, the undivided family as a unit come to an end. Secondly, a sharer may separate himself from other collaterals, but he continues join with his own male issues. Partition automatically alters the character of the property of the family. On the death of separate member, his share devolves not by survivorship, but by heirship or rule of succession. Reopening of partition. The general principle regarding partition is that partition once made become final and cannot be reopened. There are some exceptions. Number 1, when a child was in mother womb at the time of partition and born alive and no equal share has been reserved for him during the partition. When a child was conceived as well as born after partition, he can claim partition. Reopening of partition if the father has not taken any share for himself on partition. Number 3, a disqualified co-partner. Disqualified co-partner like unsoundness of mind, idiocy, leprosy can claim reopening on removal of such type of disabilities. An absentee or missing co-partner can on his return reopen the partition if his share was not reserved for him or made over his wife or issues. Number 5, a minor can reopen partition on attaining majority if partition was unfair or prejudiced to his interest. A partition can be reopened if fraud, undue influence, coercion, misrepresentation is committed by any co-partner during partition. Number 7, a partition can be reopened if share allotted any co-partner belongs to third party. Number 8, partition made in violation of laws. Reunion after partition. Meaning, reunion is a process whereby two or more members of Hindu family, after once separating, reunite so as to constitute a joint family. According to Manu, as a general rule, partition once made is forever and irrevocable. Therefore, the legal consequences of partition cannot be controlled or affected by the subsequent conduct of the parties. According to text of Bharaspati, which says, "He who being separated dwells again through affection with his father, brother, or parental uncle is termed reunited." Effect of reunion. The following are the effect of the reunion. Number 1. There is no difference in co-partnership by birth and co-partnership by reunion. The effect of reunion is to remit the reunited members to their former status as member of joint Hindu family. The devolution of interest of the united members is not by survivorship but by governed by special rules. A. According to Madras School, rule of survivorship is applicable. Secondly, according to Bombay School, rule of suspenda is applicable. Condition for valid reunion under Mitaksara law. The parties reuniting must have been parties to the original partition. A member once separated can reunite only with his father, brother, paternal uncle, but not with any other relatives. There can be no reunion unless there is an intention to reunite and to reinvest the members with the former status of members of joint family. Fourth, no writing is necessary for reunion. Thank you.